Is my azalea dead? If your azalea bush is shriveled up, brittle and brown, it is likely dead. Before planting new azalea bushes, learn about what caused your shrub to die and how to prevent repeating the mistake. Identification. The most common cause of a dead azalea is improper care, according to the Azalea Society of America. Most azaleas will exhibit symptoms that something is wrong before it is too late. Types. Common mistakes that lead to the death of azaleas include improper planting, the application of too much fertilizer or watering too much. These things weaken the shrub and make it susceptible to diseases and pests. Help. Take your dead azalea to a local county agent, master gardener or university extension to learn how it died and to get some tips to prevent future azalea bushes from dying as well.